An historic blizzard dropped more than 2 feet of snow across much of New England.
At least 12 deaths have been reported tonight. Hundreds of thousands are still in the dark. Now, even by Wisconsin standards, the blizzard out east was big. A Milwaukee transplant, Trenny Kasnerick, says she's never seen anything like the storm she went through this weekend.
I don't know that I've ever seen anything with the winds this much. And then you take into consideration also, being on the ocean, like the high tides and flooding.
Kasnerick says it could be a couple of days before she can go back to work. Until then, she's stuck inside.